Hi, and welcome to the Ideal Calibrations gas detection series. Today we're going to be looking at the process for receiving a rental from us, and this is going to be the diffusion monitors. So the first thing you're going to get when you get a monitor from us, you're going to have it's going to come in a case like this, and over here there's going to be two zip ties, one here and one here, to lock it down for shipment. So first thing you do is cut those off, and then open it up. And inside this is going to be what comes with the rental. First part, we've got a gas detector. So this is a 4-gas detector. You might have ordered a single gas, or there might be more monitors in the case if you ordered 4 or 5 of them, but they'll all be in here. Each one will come with a charger, just here. A calibration adapter. This is what fits over the monitor so you can run gas to it. And then it's going to come with a lot of paperwork. So first thing you do once you receive this thing, just check it out, make sure it works. Go ahead and turn it on, go through startup mode, make sure that everything turns on and reads properly, and then you can go ahead and turn it off. And we recommend, because you're going to get the monitor the day before that you need it and before we start the billing clock, overnight you should take the monitor and then plug it in and put it on the charger, and that way you get the most possible battery for your job the next day. Once you've completed your rental and you're ready to send everything back to us, we include some paperwork for you. And I'm going to show you what paperwork we include here. Let's flip this up. Let's go through all this here. Okay. Inside we have your rental agreement. So you're just going to go check through the paperwork on this, make sure everything is okay. You're also going to, and on the back this will have your rental terms. So this just says, hey, please don't steal our equipment from us. We appreciate it. On here, this is a calibration sheet. Now this is for a 4-monitor cal sheet. We just printed one up randomly. What it's going to go through is it's going to go through what the serial number is of your monitor. You'll see there's a rental number here that's going to also be on the monitor. You'll see that painted on there. In addition, here are your alarm limits. So it'll go through when was it manufactured, what type of operation is it, what are the alarm limits for each monitor, for each sensor, and then for the calibration gas, what calibration gas does this use. Okay. On the back, and if it's a single gas monitor, you might see this on the front. But this is going through the calibration and bump log. So this shows what was used to calibrate it. Also shows did it pass calibration, what did it show on bump test, and did it pass our bump test, and what was the date it was. Now, every time right before we send it out, we calibrate and bump the unit so that it comes to you pre-calibrated. In addition, there's going to be a bump test sheet. This is just in case you need this for compliance purposes. You can fill this out and then keep this so that if you have to bump test for your job or you have to show evidence of bump testing, you can record it here. On the back, it just has instructions for how to bump test a monitor. These are pretty generic, but they'll work for just about every gas detector out there. Okay. In addition to that, you're going to get this little Ziploc bag. And what this is a shipping return label and some zip ties. So when you're all done with your monitor, you can take this paperwork, you can either toss this away or leave it in the lid. And then what you need to do is close it up, lock it, open your Ziploc bag here, take these out. And then the 2 zip ties are going to go through here, through these little eyelets right here. 1, and there you go. 2. So you just put them through and lock them right in. And then once you have that locked up, you're going to flip it over. And on the bottom, you'll see a shipping label. You can rip this one off or you can leave it on there. It doesn't matter. But you want to take your return label, and you'll see that this goes back to us. Go ahead and peel this off and just slap it right on there. And now you can go and return this to any Fedex location. So if you get it to the Fedex location before 11 a.m., we won't charge you for that day. But if you get it there after 11 a.m., make sure they scan it. Then we charge you for that day. So you could drop it off late. Most locations, the latest time you can drop it off is 6 p.m. For that day. But if you drop it off any other time, that'll be just fine. And what happens is when they scan this, it tells our system that you've dropped it off, so we stop the billing clock then, and it'll come back to us. Okay? And that's how to set up the rental with us. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 734-956-0539, or you can email us at support@idealcalibrations.com. We'll be happy to get back with you. Have a great day. Stay safe.